Discover the best drones under $20-25 offering great camera quality, stable flight, and smart features like GPS and return to home. Perfect for beginners and creators who want high performance and value without overspending. Helicopter camera with flash. Starting at number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is a powerful and versatile drone ideal for beginners and content creators looking for high-quality aerial footage without overspending. It features a 48MP camera with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, 4K per 60 frames per second video, and 8K hyperlapse, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. With up to 34 minutes of flight time and OcuSync 2.0 for stable control up to 10 kilometers, it delivers reliable performance for longer sessions. Intelligent features like Active Track 3.0, Spotlight 2.0, and obstacle sensing make flying safer and filming easier, while the Fly More combo adds extra batteries, ND filters, a charging hub, power bank adapter, and shoulder bag for maximum convenience. Compact, portable, and feature-packed, the Mavic Air 2 is perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos in a wide range of settings. Number 2. Ruko F11 GIM Drones 2-Axis. The Ruko F11 GIM is a feature-rich consumer drone that's ideal for adults and hobbyists wanting longer flight sessions and stable 4K captures without a premium price tag. It pairs a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization, EIS, to help deliver smoother video and clearer photos, plus a wide adjustable lens and up to 5 times digital zoom for flexible shooting angles. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy up to about 56 minutes of total flight time, giving you plenty of time to explore and capture footage on longer outings. The drone also includes GPS with intelligent features like Follow Me, waypoints, point of interest, and auto return home, making it easier to fly confidently and safely. It's built to resist level 6 winds for more stable flights in breezy conditions and supports real-time FPV transmission to your controller or phone for live viewing. Overall, the Ruko F11 GIM strikes a balance between flight time, camera capability, and smart features for aerial exploration. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is an ultralight, foldable drone that packs impressive performance into a compact frame, weighing less than 249 g yet capable of shooting 4K per 30 frames per second video and 12MP photos with a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery, strong OcuSync 2.0 video transmission up to 10 kilometers, and resistance to level 5 winds, making it great for travel and outdoor filming. Smart quick shots and creative shooting modes help you capture cinematic content easily, while the Fly More combo adds extra batteries, a charging hub, spare props, and a shoulder bag for extended flying sessions. Compact, beginner-friendly, and feature-rich, the Mini 2 is ideal for anyone looking to capture high-quality aerial photos and videos without carrying heavy gear. Number 4. Parrot PF7280000 ANAFI Drone. The Parrot PF7280000 ANAFI drone is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for flexible aerial photography and videography. It features a 4K HDR camera with a unique 180 degrees vertical swivel gimbal, letting you tilt the camera from straight up to straight down for creative low-angle and overhead shots that most drones can't match. The drone's lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry and set up, while GPS stabilization and smooth 3-axis hybrid and electronic image stabilization help deliver steady footage. With a flight time of around 25 minutes, a transmission range of up to 4 kilometers, and resistance to winds up to 50 kilometers per hour, the ANAFI offers reliable performance for capturing landscapes and dynamic scenes. Its 21MP photo capability, lossless zoom, and various autonomous flight modes also add versatility for hobbyists and content creators. Number 5. SYMA X500 4K Drone with UHD. The SYMA X500 4K drone is a beginner-friendly GPS quadcopter built for adults and hobbyists who want longer flight sessions and easy shooting features. It comes with 2 batteries that together provide up to about 56 minutes of combined flight time, letting you enjoy extended flying without frequent recharges. The drone has a 4K UHD camera with a wide field of view and adjustable angle for capturing aerial photos and videos, plus GPS-assisted functions like auto return home, follow me, object trace and custom path flying to help make flights safer and more creative. You'll also get features like 5 GHz FPV transmission for real-time live view, gesture photo/video control, and optical flow positioning for stable hovering, which makes it easier for beginners to pilot confidently. With its user-friendly controls and smart flight modes, the SYMA X500 is a good choice if you want a feature-rich drone that's simple to fly and great for exploring aerial photography.